Good morning to all. Welcome to our classes. You already learnt about immediate provocation of World War One. Now, what is the immediate provocation of World War Two? German tankers driving into the Poland territory. This is the main important immediate cause. Why the German tankers driving into the Poland? You can say another way. Germany invaded Poland for the punishment of refusing to hand over the port of Danzig to Germany. Understand? This is one of the main cause or immediate cause. When did Germany attack on Poland? This is also important. On September 1st, 1939. September 1st, 1939. And another important one, that Poland means Polish territory, means territory means it is land, Poland land. It's lay between the Germany, two parts of Germany. That's why Germany attacked Poland to understand. Hitler thought that taking over the Poland territory is a very simple by a small military operation, but at the same time Poland had a defense pact with England, means Britain, and that's why immediately this news spread to the England. Then immediately England joined in the side of Poland. Do you catch my point? Yes. What is defense pact? Defense pact means whenever the particular country joined in any war or military operation, then another country also support to the particular country only. Understand please? Defense pact means defense agreement. అంటే యుద్ధ సమయంలో లేదంటే ఏదైనా ఎమర్జెన్సీ విషయంలో ఏవైతే టూ కంట్రీస్ సైన్ చేసాయో ఆ డిఫెన్స్ ప్యాక్ట్లో ఆ రెండు కంట్రీస్ కూడా వర్క్ టుగెదర్ అంటే కలిసి పని చేయాలి. సో దిస్ వాజ్ ఓన్లీ ద main concept. That's why, so whenever Germany invaded Poland, Germany attacked Poland on September 1st, 1939. At the same time, England gave support to Poland only. England gave support to Poland. Why? What? Because it is a defense pact. So England joined the side of Poland. On the next day, France also joined in the side of Poland. Why did France join? Why did France join the side of Poland? Because Germany, a long enemy. ఎప్పటి నుంచో జర్మనీ అనేది ఎనిమిగా ఉంది ఎవరికి? ఫ్రాన్స్. సో దట్స్ వై ఫ్రాన్స్ ఆల్సో అగైన్స్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ Germany. At the same time, Germany side, allies group or allies countries means friendly countries join in the side of Germany. What are that? Austria, Hungary and Italy. Austria, Hungary and Italy. Understand? But observe that Italy during that Second World War time, Italy was joined in the side of Germany. Axis powers. What is Axis powers? But in the First World War, Italy was not in the group of Germany or not in the alliance of Germany. Understand? And this is very important. Italy was in the side of victorious powers. Very, very important. During that First World War, Italy was in the side of victorious powers. What are the 5 big victorious powers? Means victorious means winners. For the Second World War, we'll discuss here in these two groups, Axis powers and Allied powers. Understand? Which group won the war? Do you know? Yes. Allied powers got a victory and finally won the war. You know that. Mainly, once upon a time during that World War II, all the people thought that Germany would won the war. అంటే జర్మనీ గెలుస్తూ ఉంది, యాక్సిస్ పవర్స్ విన్ అయిపోతాయి అని అందరూ అనుకున్నారు. బట్ one major breakthrough happened in that Stalingrad war. What is Stalingrad war? Which was happened between Russia and Germany. Understand? Russia and Germany. In the year 1943. At the time, 1943. At the time, Germany was defeated by Russia. అంటే ఏంటి? జర్మనీ అనేది ఓడించబడింది ఎవరితోని? రష్యా. అండర్స్టాండ్? రష్యా defeated Germany. After that, other countries also not fought in the war. Understand? Next, another important one. Which country fight for the end of the war? Yes, only Japan was a small country. Japan was a small country. Only 4 islands were there. చివరి వరకు పోరాడి ఓడినటువంటి కంట్రీ ఏది అంటే జపాన్ చెప్పవచ్చు. Japan was a very small country but fight bravely. Understand? Like ceremony only. Understand? You know that 2 atom bombs were dropped on the Japan places, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So one is dropped in August 6 and another one it is August 9. August 6 and August 9. August 6, 1945. August 9, 1945. So this was first bomb was dropped in the place of Hiroshima. Another one it is Nagasaki. and finally Japan was surrendered to America. Before only America gave warning to the Japan, but did not listen the words of America, and finally they faced this kind of destruction. So many people were died, and still they are facing problems of this war, Second World War. Understand? World War One and World War Two, number of deaths and destruction also there. In that World War One, nearly 10 million people were killed in the battle, and it includes 75,000 of Indian soldiers who fought in the side of Britain. And also World War Two, it was also more 22 to 25 million military casualties and deaths, approximately 40 to 52 million civilians, and nearly 6 million people Jewish and other people also there. Due to the Second World War, America attacked on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, these two places located in Japan. In that, America dropped atom bombs. At the time, these two bombs killed between 1,50,000 to 2,46,000 people immediately. With this atom bomb, effects of this atom bombs, different kind of health problems like leukemia, cancer, and these are faced that so many people. What were the causes of the World War One and what was the causes of the World War Two? We'll discuss here. After the First World War, Treaty of Versailles were conducted. At the time, only who were invited to the Treaty of Versailles? Only 5 big victorious powers, means winners, who were not invited to the conference of Versailles Treaty. Vanquished powers. Vanquished powers means losers, అంటే ఓడిపోయిన వారు, యుద్ధంలో ఓడిపోయిన వాళ్ళు. And also largest country Russia was also not invited to the Treaty of Versailles. Understand? Let us see. Look here. First World War happened the period from 1914 to 1918. After that, the First World War added to the Treaty of Versailles in 1919. Understand? In the treaty means agreement, 5 big victorious powers were invited. Understand? What are the 5 big victorious powers? First one, Britain, Italy, Japan, France, and America. Okay? So these were invited to the Treaty of Versailles. Treaty of Versailles. See, Italy and Japan also victorious side, means they got victory. How can we remember this? Simply, you can remember this code ABFIJ. Understand? ABFIJ. America, A for America, B for Britain, means England, F for France, I for Italy, J for Japan, Understood? Simply remember that AB and FIZ. During that World War One time, World War One. At the time, which countries were increased their armaments? There are 6 big countries. They can increase their armaments. How much percentage it is? Do you know how much percentage? Up to 300 percentage. How much? Up to 300 percentage. This is that much percentage of armaments contained in that the materials which is useful for war. అంటే యుద్ధానికి అవసరమైనటువంటి మెటీరియల్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఆర్నమెంట్స్ అనేవి ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసుకున్నాయి. ఎంతవరకు అది 300%. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫ్రమ్ 132 pounds to 397 million pounds. Understand please? This is only 300% of increasement their armaments during that first world war. It is first world war. How can we remember? With a simple code. Understand? Big France. BIGFRA. Big France. B for Britain. I for Italy. G for Germany. F for France. R for Russia. A for America. Understood? Big France. Another important one. Why was Russia was not invited to this Treaty of Versailles? Because Russia was withdrawn in the middle of the war. In which year? 1917. Already I told you. 1917. At the time, America joined in that. Understand? Right. Now, we will discuss about the causes of the World War I and World War II. How can we remember also? Simple code also there. I will tell you. The first World War. Immediate cause we already discussed. Immediate cause of World War I and World War II. What are the long-term causes of World War I and World War II? Easily remember. I will tell you small code. World War I. AIMS. 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 Okay. Aggressive nationalism. Imperialism. A for aggressive nationalism. I for imperialism. M for militarism. S for secret alliance. Understand? Next, long-term causes of Second World War. First, what happened? See, Treaty of Versailles, and next League of Nations, and G4, vengeful domination of Germany, and means what? Revenge. You means socialism, the fear of socialism of Russia. These are the long-term causes of the World War II. Thank you.